this man monthly for an hour or so to get mentored, to continue aspects to the next level, to take it to a global level of global standards. Put your hands together to welcome this man from Citrix, Mr. Ashish Vaidya.
Good, I was expecting that. Now, if I ask you just one thing, I am here maybe to tell about myself, what I am going to do in few next years, and maybe something about the Inspiration Unlimited newsletter that we are going to launch, and what I am doing with that, what I am going to write in that. But before that, I want you, all of you, to do some activity for me, sitting right there at your place. Will you do that?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, just raise your right hand. Wave it. Move. Wave. Okay. Bring it down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up again. Sit down. Thank you. Now, you people don't know me. Some random guy is coming here on stage and commanding you to stand up, sit down, do some funny things, and you are obliging. Why?
Your personality.
My personality?
Your achievement.
Wow. That's the only thing?
Your achievements.
Really? You don't know about them yet. Okay? So, what was it that made you do all this?
Your leadership qualities.
How do you know I am a leader?
The way you command. The voice. The energy you have.
Okay. Let me tell you,
It's
it's the trust, not in me,
Sujit sir.
but in this person called Sujit Lalwani. You know that this person, you have trust in, whatever he is going to give you won't be harmful to you. It will be only good for you, right?
Yes.
So when he is giving me to you, you are placing your trust in me. Right? You are surrendering to me. And don't take the word surrender as a bad thing. We are understanding that, okay, surrender is some army is defeated, they surrender. Actually not. Surrender is a word synonym to love and trust. When you have trust in somebody, you surrender. Right? And surrender is not doing something, it's a state of being. And you are all in that stage right now. Correct?
Yes.
Without even thinking for a second, you stood up, you sit down, again and again, on me asking that. Because you have surrendered not to me, but to this person. Even this person
I
was
have
doing that.
surrendered to my audience today.
You did surrender to the power vested in me right now by this person called Sujit Lalwani. Yes or no?
Yes.
And that power is so big, even he did all that. He surrendered to that power himself. Right? So, what I am going to tell, that power is even bigger than Sujit Lalwani. Absolutely right or not?
Yes.
Right? That power is bigger, and that is the power of positivity. And aura of positivity he carries along with him. The words he speaks, that positivity you all surrender to because it's something divine. And we don't get to see of it off lately today. Right or not? Right? We all see, like the slide was showing, all the negative things happening all around. We are consciously or unconsciously craving for what? Positivity, right? And where are we going to get that positivity? Where are we going to get that positivity? IU is bringing to you. Right or not? Are you liking that?
Yes.
Show me.
Or not?
Clap. Thank you, thanks a lot. Some years, not years, maybe a year ago, I came to such a conference where he was talking. And one of the people who are inspired by him told me, you know what, your friend is a superstar. He is a rock star. Okay. That time I decided we are gonna see who will be the next.
A big round of applause.
Thank you. Now, what I am here for, what I am going to do, you still don't know me, so let me introduce myself first. I am Ashish Vaidya. I did graduate from NIT Surathkal 2008, IT branch. After that, I was placed in Novel, where I was working on SUSE LiveX, one of the most breakthrough technologies, cutting edge technologies. I was there for 2 years. After that, I wanted to make a switch. So, by the time I had to decide which company to join, I had an offer from Citrix, Amazon, Accenture. Google approached me, but I didn't like their profile, so I said no.
We are still approaching him with a bigger package than he has right now.
Microsoft approached me for a package. I said no. I didn't like the profile.
Can we have a round of applause?
So finally, I decided I'll go to Citrix, and recently also I keep getting offers. They say okay. So recently Google again came back. They said we have a profile for you. I saw that. I said I don't.
They customized the profile for you. Can you imagine?
No, I don't know if they customize or not. But they said we have a profile for you. I checked that out. I said I don't think I am looking for this one. Said okay, what you are looking for? I said I want this kind of profile. Said wait, we have that profile also. So I said okay. I don't think right now I want to switch. Do you think what they said? Let us know when you are ready and we'll schedule an interview.
Big round of applause.
Then I asked them, but what if I am ready and you don't have an opening at that time? So prompt came the reply, we always have openings for
People
Harsh.
people like you.
Big round of applause.
Now, that's all. That's just one part of my life that is technical. Apart from that, I am happy to say that I have been involved with some things that I can do something for the society. I have been working with few NGOs. In past 6 months, I have organized more than 4 or 5 events with different like Bosco in Seoul, AMC, and few others. I am not able to recollect the name. And I have received a very, very positive feedback from them. So now I thought, okay, why can't we make this big? And where I got the platform?
Ayo!
It is an honor to know Google has been calling him and calling him and calling him, and he's been telling no, no, no and no. I take pride to shout wherever I go कि Google ने बोला और ये नहीं गया और मैंने बोला और मुझे बोलता है अभी जॉब छोड़ तू बता दे. Now that is something that gives an honor, and believe me, a big round of applause for that. A big round of applause.
So, 3 months back, my friend started a website called Tech Info Gurus. He asked me, can you write some articles? There are very few articles there. First article I wrote, in 3 days, it became the most read article on the site.
Big round of applause. Big round of applause. Big round of applause.
Second article I wrote, overnight it became the most rated and most read article on the
Big
site.
round of applause.
I realized I can write also. And I writing task, he says, would you mind writing for IU?
And I'm proud to say he is also a monthly columnist for Inspiration Unlimited magazine of ours. Another reason why you should subscribe.
That's not all. That's what I'm giving you an example. If you can do something, this is the person there for you. There's a platform he's creating which will be there for you. He might not be able to reach everyone out there individually, but that's why he's creating something that will reach out not just here, not just in Bangalore, not just in India, but worldwide.
Big round of applause, man. Big round of applause. Big round of applause.
Okay, so I think I'll be running short of time. So I just want to ask one more thing from you. Will you give?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Not even by telling you what it is, will you promise to give me that?
Yes.
Definitely?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to give me feedback. Okay? Honest feedback on the IU magazine, on everything we are doing, he is doing, all people are doing, because your feedback is the only thing that will help us improve ourselves, to serve you better and make you people better, and in turn you will make us better.
Big round of applause for that. Big round of applause. Big round of applause.